Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to exhibition SLE 2021. This is Jack. This is Jack Ma from Shenzhen. And during the online show today, we have many great activities and new product launch, stocks promotion with discount, and gifts. Please stay with us. Okay, now please follow our camera. Start the online show today. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is Ellen from LamTap.
Hello everyone, this is Kofi and welcome back to ISLE 2021 LAMP introduction.
Yes, as we know that the COVID-19 break out all over the world in last years and now already last for 1 more years. So customers cannot go to China to visit and we cannot go to abroad. So now today we use the live broadcasting to show our sincerest best wishes for you and hope also take the product new technologies for use. Hope you can enjoy it through our broadcasting.
Thank you so much, Elaine.
Yeah, thank you.
So for today, this morning, we're going to give you a brief introduction about our 3 series. And first series, we're going to talk about RN. So RN series, as Elaine mentioned earlier on, due to this COVID-19 and most customers cannot come here. We know that. So what can we do? We need to give you a brief introduction about our product, about our company, so that you get used of the new environment. Though we believe in the next future, everything is going to be fine. Okay, so let's move on to the RN series. It's a fully rental display panel. As you can see here, for a rental screen, what do we care most? Is the thickness. It's about the lightweight. That's what we value most. So for the RN series, it's very light in weight. It's really light in weight, as you can see here. Yeah. So light in weight, and you can just use your one hand to lift it. That's the first impression when you see the RN series. As you can see how a strong engineer demonstrates. So you see the whole panel. This is the thickness. The thickness is 66 millimeters. Only 66 millimeters. That's how the thickness looks like. It's very slim. It's very, very slim for RN series. It's also same, like the whole thickness is 66 millimeters. Yeah. Very, very light in weight. And for the weight, the whole panel is 7.5. Only 7.5. Really light in weight that you can just lift it. So for this kind of rental series, when you have it, your workers is going to be happy and you yourself are going to be happy. You can do a huge hanging system. We're going to talk about that later. You can do a huge hanging system, a huge stacking system, and you don't have any problem on that. Our next stage, we're going to talk about the modularized. This rental panel is all modularized. So when you talk about modularized, you can remove the power supply or the power box easily. You can remove the complete power box. So you see the demonstration what our engineer is going to do it. Only one hand to remove the power box. Yeah, that's how easy it is. So for our rental, because we do more of also XR, VR, so it's compact with Nova Star, color light, Brownton, megapixel, or anything you want to use, we can just talk about it and do it for you. So this is how it looks like. How simple and easy. Yeah. Very, very light in weight. The complete is only 7.5. 7.5. So thank you. Yeah. So we're going to put it back. They are all model-like. Very, very complete. See how easy it is. You don't need to just put much effort in it. You can just do it. So that's the first impression of it. You know, the power output, the input, and everything is right here. It's so easy. We have all the specification here, and we also have the start button. So if you want to test it, you use this test button. Maybe you press it, green, red, it will all indicate here to show you the test button. Or more like, we also talk about the model like. That means all these models, they are just front access. You can just remove it easily. So our engineer will show you how to remove the model. Yeah, he'll show you how to remove the easy model. Okay. You see how easy it is? Okay. So in this time, you have to use the machine. You have to use the compression machine for the magnetic tool. You put a little bit of effort, then there we go. So you can see how the model look like. Yeah, this is how the model look like. It's also very light in weight. All the materials we use for this is magnesium alloy, and we make sure that it's very light in weight, and that will support rental cabinet, because rental, they care about the weight. It's very, very important. So you see how light in weight it is? Very, very light in weight. Yeah. And here, for the model, you see these pins. These are the magnetic. So we have totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 magnetic. So that hold the panel or hold the metal tool very stickly. It hold it firmly and strongly. So there's no way it's going to fall off. Even though we have a strong magnetic, we still add this locking system. This is the safe locking system. You come close to it. This is the safe locking system. So this safe locking system, you see here, there's the safe locking system. The moment we put the model, it will lock it. Then it will become very, very safe. You see, that's how it works. Though I will show you later about the main working system. And for the model, we have this allocation pins. You see, there's 3 allocation pins. Normally, we can also add 1 here, so it will become okay, this one is mainly 3 allocation pins. So these allocation pins help to just allocate, in case you want to put the model back, it will just help to allocate the model easily. You see how the engineer, so the 3 allocation pins will just directly move into it. You see the allocation pins? It will just connect. That will make it easy to insert the model. That's it. And it's so flat. There's no lines, nothing. You see how the model works. So in terms of rental, front access is very important. You know, front access is very important. You need to get it right. And also the line connection. You have to make sure that all these lines, there's no lines between the models. It's supposed to be compact, very, very compact together. So that's one thing we need to study about it. Okay. Whilst I was mentioning about the safety, you see all these models have the safety. Okay, so this is how it works. Yeah, the first one is this. After this safety, then now we have the safety hook. So this is the safety hook. This one is for the control box. So this safety hook will hook the control box for safety. And here is the model safety hook. So after you put the model, you need to use the safety hook here. Yeah. So whenever maybe it's a tall panel, you want to just remove this one, it's easy to put it back, and it will not also fall down, maybe to hurt somebody or just destroy the panel. So we have about 1 and 2. We have 2 safeties. Yeah, only for this one. Okay, now we move on to the T-shape. So what is the T-shape? There's the T-shape here. You see the red button here? This red button. The moment you click it, the T-shape will just pop up. And what does it do? When you are doing the installation, you pop out this T-shape, and it will lock the other cabinet. In case you are going to put the next one, the T-shape will lock the cabinet firmly, and there's no way it's going to fall off. So this T-shape, how cool it is. You see how cool it is. So because sometimes you don't need it, so you need to stay inside. And if you want to work with it, you just bring it up. That's how easy it works. So this RN series, what is the main function of it? We make life simple. We make installation simple. Everything about it is so simple to work with. That's the most important thing you have to remember about rental installation. Rental is all about fast installation, fast to remove everything. Everything have to be very, very fast on it. Okay, so next one we go on to the safety connectors. You know, that's the corner protectors. So here is the corner protector. You can see here, there's the corner protector. So you bring it like this, that's it. Then you bring it off. You see how easy it is? And the corner protection is also very strong. You can see, yeah, it's very, very firmly and so strong. Thank you so much. You see, we have a strong magnetic here. Aside that, we have a strong bolt that also make it firmly, and it has a spring that helps it to bring it up and down. You see, so this all about RN series is all about, you know, easy installation. Everything makes it more easy to work with. So let's move to the next segment. Is the locking system. We have a strongly metals that makes it very, very easy to work with. You see how it is. All the locking system. There's nothing like maybe you're going to have problem to push it. We have most of the screens, maybe it's so hard to push them. But you see how it is? Yeah, all the locks are easy to work with. And we move on to here is the fast lock. Here is the fast lock. So in terms you are doing 2 panels, so when you put another panel, you just push this fast lock and it will just automatically make the installation firmly, and there's no way there's going to be a problem on that. So that's the fast lock here. Yeah, as you can see. Okay. So I think you are getting more clear view about this RN series. And RN series, as I mentioned earlier on, let me go through again. First thing is lighting weight. And what is lighting weight? Maybe probably is 7.5 kg, so only 7.5 kg. The next one is the thickness. As you see the thickness here, it's only 66 millimeters, only 66. Most panels are maybe 90, 85, but this one is 66. The next one is the model. You can easily remove all the models. You can the power box, you just take it off, and also the model, you can just use the machine as our engineer showed you. You just use the machine to the magnetic tool, as you can see here. You just use the magnetic tool to bring it off, and it's very easy to bring it off. And yeah, so that's mainly more about this series. So we are going to turn to Jack. Jack is going to give you a clear understanding of how the RN series look like. We have a huge screen outside there. Jack will show you how it looks like. So thank you so much. Let's switch on to Jack, and he will give you a clear understanding about how the RN series looks like. Thank you.
Thank you, Kofi. Welcome back. Here we go. After my colleague introduced about the iron series, now follow me to see the real products. And we can see here, this one sample, the meter is the size is 5 meter by 3 meter, and the pixel is P2.6 for indoor rental. And we can see the screen is very flatness, and is very high definition. The color is vividly displaying. It look very perfect products. Okay, now follow me to come to see the back side. And for this one, as my colleague introduced, we in this year, and we got the IF Adwa, so IF the award. So for this designing, it's very nicely for XR solution for movie making. We can see the backside is very clear design, and it's very easily to maintenance and for rental for events. Okay, if you're interested for this, contact us. Thank you.
IF. 你快点给我吧。Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Welcome back. And I hope Jack gave you a clear understanding about the RN series. Actually, it's a really beautiful panel. You know, in terms you want to do more rental, hanging, stacking, is the best option for you. And we also have 3.9. We have 1.9. Okay, let me start from 1.9. We have 1.9. We have 2.6. We have a 2.9. We also have a 3.9. Yeah, so these are the main indoor series we have. And I will show you one thing about the RN series. RN series, we got the huge certification or a kind of award, a big award from IF. So IF gave us a good award due to the good design, because the design is amazing, light in weight, and also energy saving. So we have a lot of good recommendation that if you use the RN series, I think you're going to love it, to be honest. And all your workers will also be very amazing to work with the RN. Anything, just let us know. Now let's move on to the 3D video. This 3D video will also give you a clear understanding about the RN series. Maybe what I said you couldn't get everything, or maybe what Jack said you couldn't get all the clear picture. So the 3D video will give you more understanding about the RN series. So thank you so much. Let's switch on to the 3D video. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for staying with us, watching all this amazing presentation and also getting to know our product. So now I think after the 3D video and also Jack introduction and mine, you will get a clear picture about the RN series. So let's talk about stock. We have more stock. We have a lot of stock that if you need 1,000 square meters, 2,000, we can provide with our huge stock. So with where you are watching, you can just check the stock system. Later on, Elaine will give you a brief introduction about the stock and also the coupon that we have. So let me welcome Elaine to continue with the presentation. Thank you so much for staying with us. Elaine.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
Hello everyone, I come back. I am Ellen. Just now, Coffee introduced a product is for some 5 pixel pitch rental displays, especially used for the VR, SR, or like some TV stations, because the pixel pitch is small, just like for 1.5, 1.8, 2.3, like this 5 pixel pitch. And some friends will say, how about can you introduce some normal rental products, because they do the business just for the normal events. So today I will bring best sellers for use. Please. This one is our RCX series. You can see it looks very simple. And this one, it can use for indoor and outdoor. Just now, Coffee introduced the RN series. It only for indoor, cannot use for outdoor. But this one, it can use indoor and outdoor together. And this one, it have the modular design. Modular design, that means it's very simple to assemble. Just the module and cabinet frame and power box. So then assemble to be a cabinet. And this one, it can use for street, curb, and dance floors. Now let me show you about the curb lock. You can see this one, curb lock, is minor 10 degree, and for the plus 10 degree, you can adjust it. And then fasten here. Every degree is for 2.5. You can adjust the angles you want. And here have two lock. Every cabinet have two lock. The cabinet, we have the 500 by 500 and also have the 500 by 1000, the bigger one. And this one, it can front and back maintenance. The module can take from the front. It uses the magnet. So now let our engineer to show you how to take the module from the front. You can see this module size is 250 by 500. This is big modules. One cabinet have 2 modules, and for the big one cabinet have 4 modules. You can see this is back of the module. Here is for the wireless connect. It connects to the power box. Here no cable. They just use the wireless connect, so it can avoid the cable accidents and help you to fast to install when you do the event. And you can see here have the magnet. And here have the location pin. It can help you to fast install. And this one is for the handle. Help you to take the module easy. You can see the connector is connected to here. For the outdoor, here can be water through. And here is the magnet. We use this tool. This is the flight maintenance tool. It uses the air pressure then to take the module. You just click this button and then they will use the air pressure. The module can take from the front to the back. Okay, and you can see this is the corner protector. It can protect the corner lamp. As you know, when you carry on the events, it's easy to broken the lamp. So this corner protector can help you easy to protect this. And please see this one. This is the safety lock, safety cable to connect to the module. As you know, when you in the events, it's easy to, maybe you hanging in the high place, it's maybe easy to, the module will drop from the high. It's very dangerous, but have this one can avoid it, the accidents. And this is for the stacking bar. The stacking bar go inside this. And this one is for the handle. Yes, it's easy for you to carry. This one is for the 500 by 500 small cabinets. And when the 400 by 1000, the handle is here and here, left and right, because the small cabinet is no more place to decide the handle here. So decide here, and it's easy for you to bring this. Okay, let's see another. This is for the lock. You can lock it left and right. And this one is for the up and down. This one, you can see here. This one, it have the print hanging functions. When you put this to another cabinet there, here, have the automatic plank to lock, and then you can one person to hanging. No need two person, so it will hit easy and save the labor. And another, please see here. See here. You can see here have the some step, and here have the hole. What is the function? Please see another. Another cabinet here. Have this hole is for the location pin. As you know, when you assemble the cabinets, maybe it's you cannot make it fast, but have these holes, it can help you to location the cabinets very fast and help you to make the event and save times. And you can see the body is very strong. the body very strong. For the small cabinets, it's only 8 kg, and for the big cabinets, it's 12 kg for one cabinet. So you will say why it's so strong, because you buy one screens you can use for the street curb and for dance floors, so it can help you to save more money. When you use for the dance floor, you just buy more acrylic mark on the lamp surface. As you know, when you do the dance floor shows, maybe people will stand on the screens, so you need the acrylic mark to protect the lamps. So it will use this acrylic mark to protect the lamps here. And now I will show you the independent box. This independent box, you just switch this and easy take off. You can see this is also the wireless connector. And the power supply and the receiving card all integrated inside. So if you want to change it, it's very easy to change it. You just buy more this and change it. And this for the signal and power. Power in, power out, all is here. And it have the waterproof functions. And this for the text bottom. Red, blue, green, you can tag here. And this one is for the nameplate. You can design your logo here. Okay, this one is for our best sellers. Last year, we already sold about 10,000 square meters. So this year, we also prepare many stock here. So you can check some stocks from our website. Our sales team will send some links for you, so you can check here. The stocks can help you to get the goods fast. It can realize 7 to 10 days, then you can got. Later, I will introduce how to check the stock.
Hello, welcome back. Thank you, Eileen. So now, after my colleague introduced about the RCX series, and here we have one sample. The size is by 5 meter by 2.5 meter. Pixel is 3.9. We can see this one is very flatness, and this one, this Flow LED display, the frame is very high strength, and the mask is anti-slip. It's anti-slip. This one is for outdoor waterproof. You can use indoor or outdoor. So if you're interested for this one, so contact us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jack, to show the dance floors for use. Yes, you can see the dance floor is very clearly and is strong enough. So the cards can go on the screens, so don't worry. We also have the report text. So if you are interested, please contact our assistant or our sales team. They will show you about the video and our text reports. And about just now say about the stock, you can please check here. Our sales team will send you a broadcast links, and in the broadcast links here have the Q&A. This one is for some, if you have some questions, you can write here, and our team will reply here or send the email to this. Another The second one is for our company introduction. Our company introduction, you can see here. Another one is for the stock. You can see with every series we have the stock and have very fast delivery times. So you just contact our team. They will give you the solutions or quotations. And another one is very important. This one is for the coupon. When today we will talk three products. After coffee finish, we will send the coupons here. So please don't miss these coupons because this coupon have 200 USD, 300 USD. The biggest one is for 800 USDs. So please don't miss it. When you got the coupons, you can use in your orders. So that means you can got the extra discounts. So please don't miss it. And another thing is, if you have any problems, you can contact us here. Okay. Okay, for the RCX series introduction, now it's already finished. But in order to let you to know more clearly, okay, here have the 3D videos to show you. You can know more about the detail about these products. Okay, let's show it. Okay, thank you for your listening for our presentation. Now let's welcome Kobe back again. Kobe.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
All right. So we move on to the next segment. That's RNS Plus. So we're going to talk about RNS Plus. It's also a rental display. And this morning, as we mentioned earlier on, we are talking only about rental screens. The first one is the RN. It's mainly for the fine pixel pitch, as Lynn mentioned. And the second one was the RC. That one is also for the bigger one and also the smaller one as well, and it can do the outdoor. Now we move on to the RNS Plus. It's also mainly for the small pixel pitch and also the bigger pixel pitch. And we've done a lot of projects on XR and VR in terms of this RNS Plus. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. this RNS Plus. You see the beauty of it. Anyway, you can change the colors if you want so that it will look more attractive for you. It depends on your choice. So the main material we use for this cabinet is magnesium alloy. We use magnesium alloy for this panel, and it makes it tougher. It's very, very tough cabinet, as you can see. Anyway, yeah, really, really tough. You can hang a lot of screens on it, and it's outdoor, indoor, as we mentioned, and it's huge panel, really, really tough screen. Okay, so we use magnesium alloy for this one, and they are all model-like. It's model-like, same like all our rental display, but there is something unique about this LED, this RNS Plus. You see here, let's take off there, you just click here. Yeah, only one hand, take it off. Yeah, so there's you see how it is. It's tough, it's really tough. That's the signal. Here we have the signals, we have the power in and the power out. And why did we put this one here? Because this cabinet as RNS Plus, you can use it for indoor and outdoor. So for outdoor, it's very, very necessary to use this to cover the power in and the power out. So that's why we put this one here. And here is the test button. The test button, I think most of you all know. You change it to test it, maybe red, yellow, green, or something like that, for you to be more clear on it. Yeah, so that's the test button here. So we put it back. There's the locking system. The engineer will put it back, and you see how simple it is. There we go. Very, very tough cabinet. And okay, we'll move to the next one. As we said, it's all model-like, and there's no lines between it. All our cabinets, we make sure that they are really compatible, because it's rental. Rental, you cannot say, okay, there should be lines. No, we make sure the PCB board is very straight. So the PCB board must be straight, and all these edges have to be very, very straight. So we have a straight line and makes all the 4 modules close to each other. So we can remove one module for you to see how it works. You just, yeah. Okay, this one, we just push it. Okay, you push, yeah, you push it from there, and then there we go. See. And this side, we use the gold. We use the gold pins. Yeah, we use the gold pins. So it makes sure that there's no rusting, and there's all the pins are very, very firmly and strongly, as you can see here. This big pin. So there's no way it's going to bend. No. We really make sure of that. And the pins goes through here. This side. Yeah. This side, it goes through here. And we have the 4 grade magnetic. Yeah, it's 6. But if you want more stronger, we can also add one more, making it 8. So that's the strong magnetic there. It's the same thing here. Yeah, so the magnetic just attracts it directly. And we have the 4 allocations. What does this 4 allocation means? Whenever you put the model, it will just make it more easier to put the model just directly into the holes. Yeah, so the engineer will put it back, and you see in it. Yeah, you see how it works. It's so easy to work with. That's all rental is about. For rental, the panel have to be easy to work with and tough. Easy to work with and very, very tough. Okay, I think we mentioned earlier on about also the RN series. For RNS Plus, it also have the safety. For safety is very important. All our cabinets have the safety. For safety, there's the safety hook. You need to hook the model so that nothing will happen. Yeah, in terms of maybe you have outdoor event and the wind blow, though we have a strong magnetic, we know it's not going to take off. But in case anything happen, you need a safety hook. You need this one so that it will hold it firmly in terms of safety-wise. Yeah. So all the 4 panels, all the 4 models, we have the safety for the safety hook. All right. So let's move to the curve. There's the curve lock. There's the curve lock. So that's how it looks. So this one is minus 2.5. We move to the next one. There's minus 5. And there's, okay. Yeah, minus, there's plus 5. So we have a plus 5. And yeah, there's a minus, so yeah, minus 2.5 or maybe plus 2.5. So that's how it works. And this one is maybe, yeah, 0. So we have minus 2.5, we have plus 2.5, we have minus 5, we have plus 5, and we also have 0 that makes it level. And this cabinet actually can also do 90 degrees. Yeah, 90 degrees, there's a lot of things we need to change it here. Then it will make a 90 degrees full screen. So it depends on what you want, or it depends on your agenda, or maybe about the project that you're doing. That will make us do it that way. So for the curve, it's really strong. It has a very, very strong curve and easy to work with. It's just like microwave. Just turn in your microwave, you see? Very, very easy. It's so easy. And they're all written here how it works. Makes it more familiar, and it will make your workers love it and how to do it. Okay, we move to the next segment. It's also the protection. Protection is so important. There's the protection, the corner protection. You can see from here. That's the corner protection. But it's just a little bit different from the RN. But anyway, RS Plus, there's also how the corner protection goes. Yeah, and it's very strong. You see? It's never going to take off. It's never going to take off. Yeah. Very, very family. Very, very family. So that's all about the corner protection that you have to know. So someone will say, okay, what is the weight of this? This is about 8 kg. It's about 8 kg. And anyway, this rental, what we make it of it is tough. If you want more lighter, maybe 7.5, then you need to choose the RN. But the RNS Plus is a tough model. It's a really tough one, and it's for indoor, it's for outdoor. And as I mentioned earlier, we've done a lot about VR. We have worldwide. If you want to know more about it, if you need some projects, you just contact us, and we will share some projects with you. We've done a lot of projects with this RNS Plus. It's a unique screen that you can mention of. Okay, so let's move to, in terms of stacking system. So there's the hook for the stacking system. You put the lock here, then you turn it this way, so it will just hold it. We call it the connectors. So it will hold this one into your flame so that it will not move anywhere. And we have a strong stacking system. Later on, we're going to show you the 3D video that will give you a clear understanding about the stacking system and all about this RNS Plus. RNS Plus is amazing screen, yeah. So let's go over it again. What do you have to know about RNS Plus? One is it's used with a magnesium alloy. Yeah, we use magnesium alloy to make this panel. And the second one is we have 1.9, we have 2.6, we have 3.9, and for outdoor we also have 2.9 and we have 3.9 pixel pitch, and we have 4.8 pixel pitch, and we also have the 5.9 pixel pitch. So what again do you have to know is it's model-like. It's model-like. You can remove everything easily. You can take this one off one-handed, and all the models, the 4 models, you can just take it off very, very easily. And the next one is the corner protection. all the four, we have a strong corner protection for the four. Yeah, a strong corner protection. And about safety, we have the safety hook here that hooks the models. We have the safety hooks here that hooks the models. So that's how it is. And for curve, we have the curve. We have plus 2.5, minus 2.5. We have plus 5, minus 5. And we have 0. That means a straight cabinet. And if you want to do 90 degrees, you can also do 90 degrees with this amazing RNS Plus. Okay. For the outdoor, we have 500 by 500 by 500, and we also have 500 by 1000, the tall one. So indoor and outdoor, it depends on what you want. We have it for you. Let's move straight to the 3D video for you to get a clear understanding about the RNS Plus. Thank you so much. Let's. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much and welcome back. I hope the 3D video gave you more understanding about the RNS Plus. I will go again and talk about this RNS Plus that it's a really tough cabinet. So in terms of strongness, it's really tough. So anytime you want to do more VR, XR, and outdoor, you want to use this screen, I think is the best choice for you, and you're going to love it. So probably we're going to end here, and I will invite Elaine to come back so that we can answer more questions, because we have seen a lot of questions coming up. So we will answer more questions, and we will see how things go. So Elaine, join me and let's answer more questions from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. I just see some friends ask me about RCX questions.
Yeah.
Yes. He say about do you have any certification about RCX? Now, because now design RCX launch is last year's and really sells very popular. And now we sell to Asian market first. And then about this year, about June and July, we will have all the certification for the UL, FCC, CE, CB. So please don't worry. Every market can use it. So please don't worry that.
Okay. Mine is about brightness. Okay, one customer is asking for the RNS Plus, what is the highest brightness you can achieve? Okay, in terms of the indoor we can even achieve more than 2000 nits. But that's when maybe you add the scan rate. You want to upgrade the scan rate, that's fine, we can do it for you. And even we have the 1500 nits, we have 1000 nits, we have 900 nits. But most basic or the standard, we use the 1000 nits. If you want to do XR or VR, we use the 2000 nits or 2200 nits. Yeah, it depends on the requirement. For outdoor, we can achieve up to 6000 nits. Yeah, we have the 6000 nits for even P 4.8 and also P 5.9. P 2.9, 5000 nits. Yeah, 5000 nits. So for the nits, don't worry about it. We can achieve higher brightness. Okay, Ellen.
Yes, another friends ask, what kind of bright case you use? We for this we don't have the standards. You can use the wooden fry case and plastic fry case. It's okay, just for your choose. So you can choose it. And fry case for the 500 by 1000 for the big cabinets, we suggest to use 1 in 6. Yes, because it will be easy for you to carry. For the small ones, 500 by 500, we suggest to use 1 in 8. Yes, so you can choose if you want to 1 in 12, 1 in 10. It's okay also. So just tell our teams, and they will make the quotation and solutions for you. Okay, Coffee.
All right, someone is asking, can you make a cube? Yes, we can make a cube. You can use the RN series to make a cube, and it's just all-sided. Yeah, you can make a beautiful cube with the RN series. We have done a lot, and we also got more orders on it. It's very light in weight, so it's far better to use a cube with that series. And okay, another question from yours.
For my side, as the X series, they say how about the weight? Just now I already mentioned, for the small cabinet is 8 kg for one cabinet, and for the big one is 12 kg for one cabinet. So it's not so heavy, so it's very easy for you to do the events and for the engineer to install. So please don't worry that. And the RCX also can be the dance floors. So you just buy the dance floor structure and acrylic mark on it. It will be okay. Coffee.
Okay. For here, someone is asking, "Oh, can you make a dance floor?" I think this question you need to answer.
Yes.
Is it can you make a dance
yeah,
floor? Dance floor probably use the RCX, right?
Yeah, RCX can do, and we have another series also can do. Yes.
Okay. So someone is talking about price here. They said, "What about pricing system? Do you have what? Do you have maybe higher price or lower price?" Okay, let me make this one clear. For lamp, we don't have we are not cheap. That's true. We are not cheap, and it's mainly about quality. We care about quality. So the quality and our prices are not so high. No, we are not putting any high prices here, but we are not cheap either. But we give you the best quality. We give you the best service. That's most important for us. We make sure that what you request for, that's what we give you. And we also give you more ideas. We guide you to choose the better option in terms of price-wise. Okay. And I'll answer another one. Someone is asking, can you have 1:8 scan? 1:8 scan here we have. We have 1:10, we have 1:12, 1:16, 1:24. 1:24 is the standard one. 1:16 maybe is very good for the XL, but not so much good. If you want the best one, you need to move to 1:8, 1:10. That's the best one for XL. So we just need to double up the PCB board, maybe to use the 6 layers, 4 layers. 6 layers is the best one. We use that one and to make it much better for you. So no, don't worry about it. We have the best engineers who are much experienced in terms of this kind of scan rate. Okay, you have more here?
Yeah, now it's finished. And then thank you for your listening for our representation today. And if you still have any questions, you can send a comment or send to our email or sales teams. They will help you to solve theirs. And about the coupon.
Yeah, the coupon. Let's move to the coupon.
Kobe, can you introduce the coupon?
All right. So let me just go straight to the coupon here. You check on my phone. Yeah, if you can see here, we have about 200 USD, 300 USD. Oh, this hand cannot move it. And we have 800 USD. 800 USD is the biggest one. So the customers, you can just click on it when you click on this one, and probably when you are making any purchase, we will make sure we reduce the price according to your coupon. So it's much cheaper. And this is real. The coupon is very, very real. Don't worry about that. It's so real. You just you just click on the coupon, and we will give you the best price as you want. And we also deduct the coupon, the amount that you want from your order. Yeah, that's how it is. So please just click the coupon now, and let's see which customer want it, right? We are just waiting. You just click on it, and we have a good team here. They will write your name. Then anytime you make the order, we will just subtract from it. And this money, we keep it for you. It's just for only you, not for anybody else anymore. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We can mention stock a little bit.
Yes.
Some people are asking, do you have stock?
Yes. Stock is also here. You can click.
Yeah.
This one. Stock. Yeah, every series is here. We have the rental, fix. Every stock, we have you can see, for this one, we have 4,500 square meter stocks. It's very fast delivery times. So you can check here if you have any urgent projects. And this one is for the our stock in factories. And for the exhibition products, now we show in these exhibitions also have the big discounts. So if you have you interested in it, please contact our sales teams. They will give the quotation for you.
Yeah.
Yes, don't miss it.
Yeah. Normally, when we have exhibition, we make sure that the screens we brought here, they are not going back. Though we will send it back. But why we say this? Because we give a big discount on it. The moment we finish this exhibition, we will sell all those out with a cheaper price, depending on which customer got this kind of opportunity. So we are just looking forward for anyone who is much interested in all the exhibition screens, and we will sell to you at a cheaper price. Okay. So we thank you so much. Ellen, you have something else to say?
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. And this afternoon, this morning, we just introduced the rental products. And this afternoon, we will have the 5-piece pinch and fixed products to introduce. So please join us, and maybe you will interested in it, and we will show more technical and our new products in this afternoons.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. See
Thank
you.